In spite of all these expressions, you can make use of everyday phrases like hang on. For example, hang on a second. No worries. I'm sorry I'm late. No worries. Sort of. For example, did it help? Sort of. It depends. For example, are you going to Pune? It depends. I'm on it. For example, can you fix it? I'm on it. Let me check. For example, let me check the status of your delivery. Be right back. For example, gotta grab something? Be right back. That's it. For example, that's it. We are done. I got it. For example, I have covered all the concepts of economics. Have you got it? While giving warning and advice, you can make use of expressions like watch out. For example, watch out, there is a car. Heads up. For example, heads up, ball is coming. Don't worry. For example, don't worry, everything will be alright. Take it easy. For example, take it easy. Don't stress. You got this? For example, you can do it. You got this? Don't overthink it. For example, relax. Don't overthink it. Trust me. For example, it will be fine. Trust me. Keep it simple. For example, no need to explain more. Keep it simple. Play it safe. For example, drive slowly and play it safe. While talking about your work and study, you can use expressions like this. Let us brainstorm. For example, let us brainstorm the ideas. I am swamped. For example, I can't talk now. I am swamped. On the same page. For example, are we on the same page? I will handle it. For example, leave it to me. I will handle it. Let us touch base. For example, let us touch base next week. Keep me posted. For example, keep me posted on the progress. Deadline is closed. For example, hurry up. Deadline is closed. It's a win-win. For example, this deal is a win-win. That works for me. For example, is the time of meeting is 8 p.m. That works for me. While talking about social things and technology, you can make use of expressions like hit me up. For example, hit me up on WhatsApp. I will text you later. For example, done. I will text you later. Let us catch up. For example, long time no see. Let us catch up. I am online. For example, I am online now. Let us start. You there? For example, hello, you there? It went viral. For example, her reel went viral. Slide into DMs. For example, just slide into their DMs. Send me the link. For example, cool video. Send me the link. Let us go live. For example, let us go live at 8 p.m. I am offline now. For example, done for the day, I am offline now. Now, after expressing all these things, you can also close the communication. How to close it? I will give you expressions for it also. So let us see how to close a communication. For example, you never know. For example, maybe I will win. You never know. Let us see. For example, let us see what happens. You tell me. For example, why did she leave? You tell me. That's the spirit. For example, trying again? That's the spirit. I feel you. For example, you are tired. I feel you. All good. For example, no worries. All good. That's a rat. For example, okay team, that's a rat. These are the expressions that we have seen, which even native speakers also use in their day-to-day conversation. So use them Say them, leave them, and you will sound more natural in English every day. Comment your favorite expression in comment box. Like this video if you learn something new, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for fast and fun English videos. Bye bye and see you soon in the next video.